Unravel the mystery. Verbs followed by infinitives with objects. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into the exciting world of English grammar. Our focus will be on the use of verbs followed by infinitives with objects, particularly looking at indirect objects. Are you ready to uncover the mysteries of the English language? Let's dive right in. Before we move on to our main topic, let's have a quick recap. In English, some verbs are followed by an infinitive. An infinitive is the base form of a verb preceded by the word to. For example, in the sentence, I want to eat a sandwich. Want is the verb, and to eat is the infinitive. We've discussed that infinitives can follow verbs, but did you know that infinitives can also have objects? In the sentence, I want to eat a sandwich is the object of the infinitive, to eat. The entire phrase, to eat a sandwich, is functioning as the object of the verb, want. Now let's bring in the indirect objects. An indirect object is a noun or pronoun that shows to whom or for whom the action of the verb is done. It comes between the verb and the direct object. For instance, in the sentence, I baked Sam a cake, Sam is the indirect object. Here's where things get exciting. In English, some verbs are followed by an infinitive that has both a direct and an indirect object. An example is, I asked Sam to buy some bread. Here, Sam is the indirect object, and some bread is the direct object of the infinitive, to buy. The verb asked is followed by an infinitive with an object. Let's try some practice sentences together. I'll say a sentence, and you identify the verb, infinitive, direct object, and indirect object. 1. She told me to read the book. 2. He convinced her to try the soup. 3. They encouraged us to study for the test. Remember, practice is crucial when learning a language, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Well, there we have it. We've explored the concept of verbs followed by infinitives with objects and understood the role of indirect objects. It's a complex topic, but I'm confident that with some practice, you'll master it in no time. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in our next video.